Since the day I started getting some understanding of how the world works, how the businesses works, and how people trade value, there was this one idea that got stuck in my mind. I always used to think about business when I was a kid as somebody who has this big office with hundreds of employees with cubicles in their office, because that was my reference after watching the Bollywood movies, Hollywood movies, or even the TV series that I used to watch. But as I expanded my understanding of how the business works, as I started noticing people around me in my hometown, I realized, okay, it is not necessary to have this big office. और लोग अपनी छोटी सी दुकान स्टार्ट करके वहां पे 4-5 लोगों को हायर करके भी अपने बिजनेसेस को रन कर सकते हैं, एंड दैट इज ऑल्सो टर्म्ड एज बिजनेस, बिकॉज यू आर ट्रेडिंग योर ओन वैल्यू एंड यू आर सेलिंग समथिंग इन द मार्केट. That's what was my understanding of business as I started growing up and as I started, going into my teen years. But after getting to the college, after graduating out of the college and starting my own career and starting to build my own career on the internet, I realized ki nahi, it is not necessary to hire people who are going to be answerable to you, right? So I realized that the internet, computer, social media, and your knowledge and your ability and willingness to self improve has opened the possibility of starting a one person business. That means you can use your laptop or your PC and internet and social media to build a business where you do not have to hire anybody and you are the sole person running your business, right? So that idea is ऑलमोस्ट लाइफ चेंजिंग. नाउ सम ऑफ यू वुड बिलीव कि यार बिना लोगों को हायर करे स्केलेबिलिटी रुइन हो जाएगी, कि मतलब तुम बिजनेस को एक लेवल तक ही स्केल कर पाओगे, एंड दैट इज ट्रू. बट दैट स्केल दैट यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट हियर इज way too big. Okay, there are people who are making millions of dollars by running their own one person businesses on the internet. So today in this video I want to talk about कि तुम ये तुम्हारे लिए कैसे कर सकते हो. अगर तुम थर्ड ईयर ऑफ अपने कॉलेज में हो, इफ यू आर इन द फोर्थ ईयर ऑफ कॉलेज, हाउ यू कैन थिंक अबाउट नॉट डूइंग अ जॉब एंड स्टार्टिंग योर ओन बिजनेस बाय $0. तुम्हें कोई कैपिटल नहीं चाहिए, तुम्हें लेवरेज नहीं चाहिए, तुम्हें नेटवर्क नहीं चाहिए, तुम्हें कोई वीसी कैपिटल नहीं चाहिए. यू कैन जस्ट यूज द इंटरनेट एंड सोशल मीडिया एंड यू कैन स्टार्ट योर ओन बिजनेस. अब ओवरऑल आइडिया यह है कि यू नीड टू बिल्ड लेवरेज ऑफ अटेंशन ऑन द इंटरनेट. और लेवरेज ऑफ अटेंशन इंटरनेट पे बिल्ड करने के लिए तुम्हें कुछ नहीं चाहिए, बिकॉज यू नीड टू क्रिएट कंटेंट एंड सोशल मीडिया इज एब्सोल्युटली फ्री. ऑब्वियसली देयर इज एक्सपेंस ऑफ इंटरनेट विच वी आर नॉट टेकिंग इनटू द कॉन्टेक्स्ट, और वो तो सबके पास होता ही है. कंसिडरिंग इफ यू आर वाचिंग दिस वीडियो यू ऑलरेडी हैव द इंटरनेट, राइट? सो दैट्स द ओवरऑल आइडिया. बट अब तुम बोलोगे कि यार ब्रो, आई एम इन द थर्ड ईयर ऑफ माई कॉलेज, फोर्थ ईयर ऑफ माई कॉलेज, I am at a place where I have to make money. I cannot spend 6 months of my life, 1 year of my life, or 2 years of my life just creating content and providing free value to the people and expecting कि कुछ भी नहीं आएगा तो भी मेरी लाइफ नॉर्मली चलती रहेगी, राइट? सो यूड बी लाइक ओके, आई नीड टू मेक सम मनी. And so considering and keeping that in mind, what I've done is I've created a 6-step framework. जो अगर तुम आज apply करोगे, then you will be able to make money, pay your bills, you will not have to do a job, and on the side you will also be able to build your own business that you can name as one person business. Okay, now hear me out. Okay, तुम एज अ वन पर्सन बिजनेस स्टार्ट करोगे, यू विल बी एबल टू स्केल इट अप टू लेवल, एंड आफ्टर दैट इट विल बी योर चॉइस दैट इफ यू वांट टू हायर पीपल और यू वांट टू डू एवरीथिंग ऑन योर ओन. एंड द ओनली प्री रिक्विजिट टू मेक दिस फ्रेमवर्क एप्लीकेबल टू यू is the ability and willingness and openness टू सेल्फ इंप्रूव. बिकॉज अगर तुम कोई चीज को अकेले स्टार्ट कर रहे हो, सारी चीजें तुम खुद कर रहे हो, इन दैट सिनेरियो यू नीड टू लर्न ऑल द थिंग्स ऑन योर ओन. एंड द ब्यूटी इज दैट बिकॉज ऑफ AI एंड द टेक्नोलॉजी, दिस लर्निंग कर्व हैज रिड्यूस्ड अ लॉट. तुम्हें 2 महीने 3 महीने एक स्किल को लर्न करने में नहीं बिताने पड़ेंगे. यू कैन यूज द टूल्स हु विल डू द जॉब फॉर यू जस्ट लाइक दिस. ओके, बट हैविंग सेड दैट, लेट्स टॉक अबाउट the 6-step framework that I have for you. So step number 1 is learn a skill. अगर तुम कॉलेज में हो, अगर तुम्हें कुछ भी नहीं आता और तुम बोल रहे हो कि यार मैं पैसे कैसे कमाऊंगा या कमाऊंगी, the only thing that you need to focus at right now in step 1 is to learn a skill. Okay, and I would say learn 2 sort of skills. Learn a hard skill जिसको तुम मार्केट में सेल कर सकते हो, फॉर एग्जाम्पल ग्राफिक डिजाइन, UI UX, कोडिंग, वीडियो एडिटिंग, वेबसाइट डेवलपमेंट, कॉपी राइटिंग. A skill that is actually going to provide some solid tangible value, and along with that learn a skill of sales and marketing. That so what you can do is you can learn a hard skill and you can sell that hard skill using your soft skill, which is of sales and marketing. And once you learn a skill, what you can essentially do is you can go to the market, you can sell that skill as a freelancer. So what you need to do in step one is learn a skill and freelance on the side to make some money. So right now what you're doing is you have started the foundation of building your one person business because you're not worried about paying your bills. लोग मुझे रोज मैसेज करते हैं और मुझसे पूछते हैं कि ब्रो हाउ डू आई बिकम अ क्रिएटर, हाउ डू आई बिकम अ फुल टाइम क्रिएटर, एंड माय आंसर टू देम इज ब्रो इफ योर फाइनेंसेस आर नॉट सॉर्टेड, अगर तुम अपने बिल्स पे नहीं कर पा रहे हो, अगर तुम स्ट्रगल कर रहे हो अपने बिल्स को पे करने में, देन गोइंग एंड अप्रोचिंग कंटेंट क्रिएशन एज अ फुल टाइम करियर इज नॉट वायबल फॉर यू. बिकॉज ऐसा नहीं होगा कि तुम आज कंटेंट क्रिएशन स्टार्ट करोगे और कल से तुम कंटेंट के थ्रू पैसे कमाने लग जाओगे. सो यू नीड टू गिव कंटेंट सम टाइम टू ब्रीथ. You need to give yourself some time to get clarity कि तुम्हें content कैसा create करना है, right? So that is why step one is very important for somebody who just wants to make money and is somebody who is trying to avoid the job. Okay, so you need to learn a skill and you need to sell that skill as a freelancer in the market. If you do it the right way, you'll be able to make a lot of money as a freelancer, at least 50,000 to 1 lakh rupees. You just need 1 to 2 clients to do that. Now, how to essentially do that? Uske liye I have created a lot of videos on my YouTube channel. You can go and check that out. But this video is not about how to freelance. Okay, so we've talked about step number one. Now, step number two is you need to identify your own problem. ठीक है, मैं तुम्हें मेरी लाइफ से बहुत ही पर्सनल एग्जांपल देता हूं. मेरी प्रॉब्लम जो थी इज कि मुझे जॉब नहीं करनी है, राइट? सो द प्रॉब्लम दैट आई वाज ट्राइंग टू सॉल्व इज ओके, हाउ डू आई नॉट डू अ जॉब but still make some money on my own that will allow me to live the life that I want. Okay, so I identified that problem, and in the last 2 years all I have done is to solve that problem. Okay, so what you essentially need to do is you need to identify your problem. Your problem could be that okay, I want to become a freelancer. Your problem could be that okay, I want to get fit. Your problem could be that I want to start my career as a songwriter. Your problem could be that okay, I want to become an artist, I want to become a cinematographer, I want to become a full-time YouTuber. Whatever that problem is, आइडेंटिफाई दैट प्रॉब्लम. दैट इज स्टेप नंबर 2. एक बार तुमने प्रॉब्लम को आइडेंटिफाई कर लिया, then it takes us to step number 3, which is that you need to solve the problem publicly. अगर अब तुमने बोल दिया कि अच्छा ठीक है, the problem that I'm trying to solve for myself is to build an agency. The problem that I'm trying to solve for myself is to build a brand on Instagram of 1 million people. Or the problem that you decided that okay, I'm trying to get ripped in next 6 months. That's a problem. Now what you need to do is you need to solve this problem publicly. Okay, that means you need to find the relevant steps. You need to do the research. You need to put in the work and get one step ahead every day towards the problem that you're trying to solve. और तुम्हें इस problem solving को publicly document करना है. Pick any platform, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, जो भी platform है, identify करो problem को और उस problem को publicly solve करो. इससे क्या होगा कि you will gain the credibility. After 6 months, after 1 year, you will be creating content. तो उस content के through तुम एक audience को attract कर रहे होगे अगर तुम्हारा content अच्छा है और you have the willingness of improving as a creator that you will have to do. There is no other way around it. So create content, attract the people who are like you, who want to be like you, who like your content, and then publicly document your journey of solving your own problem. ठीक है, वो problem कुछ भी हो सकती है. For me it was that I want to become a creator and I want to start my own online business. So I started creating content on the side, and as a freelancer I was making money जो मेरे bills को pay करने में मेरी help कर रहा था, right? So you need to identify your problem and then you need to solve that problem publicly, which is our step number 3. In your run of solving that problem, तुम बहुत सारे लोगों को अट्रैक्ट करोगे और तुम एक अटेंशन क्रिएट कर लोगे इंस्टाग्राम, यूट्यूब या कोई भी प्लेटफॉर्म पे जो तुमने डिसाइड करा है. That's step number 3. Now step number 4 is that you need to build leverage. Now the only way to build leverage is by creating content when you do not have money and you do not have network. Essentially there are 3 types of leverage. Okay, leverage of attention, leverage of network, leverage of capital and leverage of labor, let's say, as Naval Ravikant says. Okay, now अगर तुम कॉलेज में हो तो तुम्हारे पास नेटवर्क नहीं है, तुम्हारे पास कैपिटल नहीं है, तो the only leverage that you can build now is leverage of attention. And Naval Ravikant also said this one thing which hit me hard. He's like, if you do not know what to do, build leverage, because once you have leverage you can do multiple things and you can monetize that leverage to your advantage. So 4th step is to essentially build leverage, right? I've already talked about this in step number 3, but to go deep into it, leverage build करना मतलब followers लाना. सिंपल शब्दों में समझो, ठीक है? मैं कोई शुगर कोटिंग नहीं करूंगा यहाँ पे. अगर लोग तुम्हें देखते हैं, अगर लोग तुम्हें जानते हैं, तो तुम leverage build कर रहे हो, क्योंकि अगर तुम उन्हें कुछ बोलोगे, they will trust you, they would be more willing to buy from you, they would be more willing to listen to your advice, and that is why leverage is important. So what you need to do is you need to create content, a lot of content. You need to document your journey of solving the problem that you identified for yourself, and that is step number 4. That takes us to step number 5, which is that you need to package the solution. Okay, so after 6 months, after 1 year, you would be like, अच्छा ठीक है, एक प्रॉब्लम मैंने आइडेंटिफाई करी थी और उस प्रॉब्लम को मैंने खुद के लिए सॉल्व कर दिया. ठीक है, नाउ यू हैव द क्रेडिबिलिटी, क्योंकि तुमने उस चीज को डॉक्यूमेंट किया था. अगर तुम इफ यू आर फैट और तुम 6 महीने में रिप्ड हो गए और तुमने वो जर्नी लोगों के लिए डॉक्यूमेंट करी सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म्स पे, लोग तुम्हें देख रहे थे, दैट मीन्स आफ्टर 6 months you can be like, okay, I went from this to this, so I have solved my problem. And so now what you need to do is, and what you can do is that you can पैकेज दिस सोल्यूशन. जो सोल्यूशन तुमने खुद के लिए बनाया था, तुम उस सोल्यूशन को पैकेज कर सकते हो. एंड द वे यू कैन पैकेज इज कोर्सेज, वर्कशॉप्स, info products, ebooks, templates. Okay, anything that is hosted on the internet, उस solution को you need to package it. Okay, अब package करने के लिए you will have to learn a lot of skills. You will need to learn, okay, how do I host the product, how do I record a course, how do I market it, how do I create a landing page out of it. Okay, now it's not hard. It's not hard because इतने सारे टूल्स अवेलेबल हैं ऑन द इंटरनेट कि तुम बस एआई को यूज करके, इंटरनेट को यूज करके ये सारी प्रॉब्लम्स को बहुत इजीली अपने लिए सॉल्व कर सकते हो. बट ओवरऑल आइडिया इज दैट यू नीड टू पैकेज द सोल्यूशन. यू नीड टू पैकेज द सोल्यूशन जो तुमने खुद की प्रॉब्लम के लिए निकाला था. और द ब्यूटी इज, क्योंकि वो चीज तुमने खुद के लिए कर ली है और तुमने लोगों के साथ उसको ऑनलाइन शेयर करा है, लोग तुम्हें ये नहीं बोलेंगे भाई तूने खुद तो किया नहीं और you are trying to sell me something, because you already have established the credibility that I have done it for myself. And so if you want to do it for yourself, here is the vehicle, here is the product, here is the course, here is the workshop, here is the book, here is the ebook, here is the template, and you can sell that solution at scale on the internet, and you will be able to make money. That's step number 6, which is you need to learn sales and marketing. Sales और marketing के लिए तुम्हें copywriting सीखनी पड़ेगी, तुम्हें landing page कैसे create करते हैं वो सीखना पड़ेगा, email marketing कैसे काम करती है तुम्हें वो सीखना पड़ेगा. और ये सारी चीजें बहुत easy हैं. If you really know what you really want to do, you can just go to YouTube and be like, okay, how do I do email marketing? वो तुम्हें tools बता देंगे, तुम्हें processes बता देंगे, तुम्हें scripts बता देंगे. So you do not have to worry about that. The only thing that you need to worry about this in this entire framework जो मैंने तुम्हें बताया है कि यार खुद के लिए प्रॉब्लम आइडेंटिफाई करो, उस प्रॉब्लम को पब्लिकली सॉल्व करो, उस प्रॉब्लम का सॉल्यूशन जो तुमने खुद के लिए निकाला था उसे पैकेज करो, और उस पैकेजिंग को, उस प्रोडक्ट को एट स्केल जो तुमने अटेंशन बिल्ड किए उन्हें सेल करो. आई थिंक दिस इज ब्यूटिफुल बिकॉज तुमने एक प्रॉब्लम आइडेंटिफाई करी अपनी ह्यूमन लाइफ में, तुमने उसे सॉल्व कर दिया, विच इज ग्रेट इन इटसेल्फ. एंड नाउ यू आर लाइक, ओके, इफ यू वांट टू सॉल्व दिस एग्जैक्ट प्रॉब्लम, हियर इज हाउ आई डिड इट. And if you want to do it fast for yourself, you do not have to do the research. You do not have to find the resources on the internet which are shattered all over the place. You will get the step-by-step process on how you can essentially do it. Okay? And you can give it to people. People will pay you money for the value. And you can basically distribute the value that you have created for yourself at scale. Okay? So what you're doing is you are finding a problem, solving it, and that solution of the problem that you figured out is valuable. So you're packaging that value and you're distributing that value at scale using social media and internet. And you are basically now a business, because a business is just selling their product or services to the world. Okay. Now you can decide to run ads on it. I would say do not run ads on it, because organically is always better than paid advertising. Organically, build the tribe, build the community, build the people who will follow you on your journey, who would trust you, who would like the way you speak, who would like the way you create content. So you're building the leverage of attention, you're building the community, and then you're just packaging your own solution of the problem that you had and you're selling it to the world. That's how you essentially go about building one person business. But one thing to keep in mind over here is कि डायरेक्टली कंटेंट क्रिएशन में मत घुस जाओ कि भाई मैं कंटेंट क्रिएट करूंगा, 1 महीने बाद, 6 महीने बाद I'll create a course and I'll get rich. That's not how it works. Okay, the entire game is to figure out where you are at your journey. अगर तुम्हारे लिए पैसा कमाना इंपॉर्टेंट है तो figure out what's the fastest way of making money. The fastest way of making money is to freelance, because स्किल सीखना तुम्हारे हाथ में है, उसे मार्केट में सेल करना तुम्हारे हाथ में है. And if you're just smart, if you're good enough, you'll be able to make a lot of money just as a freelancer. And on the side, document this problem of becoming a freelancer on the social media platforms, package the solution, sell it to the world. That's all for this video. I hope you found this video useful. Also, if you want to get more clarity about the online business, how to start making your first dollar on the internet, and what are the mental models and fundamentals that you need to keep in mind to build your career on the internet that I have learned in the last 2 years, you can check out from scratch. Right now, I have reduced the price of from scratch from 3000 to 1100 rupees only for the next 5 days or so. And the reason why I did it is because I realized I priced it too high at the start and I wanted to give clarity to people. Because one of my favorite creators, Danko, once said, a dream without clarity is a nightmare. And so I want to make sure that more of you guys, people who follow me, who like my content, who essentially look at me and kind of aspire to be like me, you get clarity, because there is nothing worth doing without clarity. So check out From Scratch from link in the description. It's just going for 1100 rupees for the next 5 days. So you can check it out. Also subscribe to my free newsletter. Link is in the description again. I send one email every week around business, marketing, and growth. So you'll love it if you like videos like these. That's all for this video. I'll see you guys next week.